Hey all the guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start this video without having the further delay. So basically this video is going to be routine of 30th June 2025 and today is Monday. So basically in this video I'm going to share like what is actually happening in my today's routine video. So let's start. So basically first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that I had taken the bath, then after that I wore clothes, then after that I had done worship. Then after that I ate food, then after that I went outside to purchase milk and biscuit, right? Then after that I came home, then after that I made banana shake, then after that I drank. Then after some time later I was ready to go to the examination center. When I reached to the Uttam Nagar East metro station, there were something so much long line for the ticket line, right? So I was just trying to book a ticket from online, right? But there was some issue happened on where I have to wait like around 5 to 10 minutes maybe, I think so. So I had to wait there. Then after that the ticket has processed. Then yes, then after that at the end I reached to the examination center. Then after that I gave exam. Then after that I came home, and while coming the home, basically while coming home I purchased momos. Then after that I came home, then after that I ate momos. Then after some time later I ate food, and at the time of evening I went for the sleep. So basically this is the thing what is actually happening in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever I like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner, right? So now, and one thing is also basically uh, this is January, February, March, April, May, June. This is 30th June 2025, and this is going to be the last day of June 2025 month's routine, right? So yes, from the next video is going to happen the routine of July. So by this video I'm going to start one person company. Section 2 of 62. One person company means a company which has only one person as a member. Now small company. Section 2 of 85. A small company means a company other than a public company, paid up share capital of which does not exceed 50 lakh rupees, or such higher amount as may be prescribed, which shall not be more than 10 crore rupees, and turnover of which as per its last profit or loss for the immediately preceding financial year does not exceed 2 crore rupees, or such higher amount as may be prescribed, which shall not be more than 100 crore rupees. Okay. So limits: paid up share capital till 31st March 2021. Maximum paid up share capital can be rupees 50 lakh, 1st April 2021 till 14th September 2022. Maximum paid up share capital is increased to 2 crores. 15th September 2025 onwards, current limit maximum paid up share capital is increased to 4 crores. Turnover in the immediately preceding financial year. Maximum turnover for qualifying as a small company was rupee 2 crore. Maximum turnover for qualifying as a small company is increased to rupees 20 crore. Maximum turnover for qualifying as a small company is increased to rupees 40 crores. Provided that nothing in this clause shall apply to a holding company or a subsidiary company, a company registered under Section 8, or a company or a body corporate government by any special act. As per the company's specification of definition details, rules 2014, for the purposes of subclause first and subclause second of clause 85 of section 2 of the act, paid up capital and turnover of the small company shall not exceed rupees 4 crores and rupees 40 crores respectively. Listed company. Section 2 of 52. Listed company means a company which has any of its securities listed on any recognized stock exchange, provided that such class of companies which have listed or intend to list such a class of securities as may be prescribed in consultation with the Securities and Exchange Board shall not be considered as listed companies according to Rule 2A of the Companies Specification of Definition Details. Rule 2014, the following classes of companies shall not be considered as listed companies, namely public companies which have not listed their equity shares on the cognized okay, I'll read. I will talk about this later. Now, classification of companies. Okay, on basis of size, private company, public company. A private company may be one-person company, small company, or other than one-person company and small company. On basis of liability, limited company, unlimited company. A company in which the liability of members is limited is termed as limited company. A limited company may be company limited by guarantee, company limited by shares. A company in which the liability of members is unlimited is termed as unlimited company. Basis of control, holding company, subsidiary company, associate company. Basis listing of securities on the stock exchange, listed company, unlisted company, other companies, foreign company, government company, companies with charitable objects, etc. Okay. Financial year. Financial year in relation to any company or body corporate means the period ending on 31st the day of March every year and where it has been incorporated on or after the first day of January of a year. The period ending on the 31st day of March of the following year in respect where a financial statement of the company body corporate is made up. Provided that where a company or body corporate which is a holding company or a subsidiary or associate company of a company incorporate outside India and is required to follow a different financial year for consolidation of its accounts outside India, the central government may, on an application made by the company or body corporate, in such form and manner as may be prescribed, allow any period as its financial year, whether or not that period is a year. Note: the term company incorporated outside India refers to foreign company incorporated under any applicable laws for the constitution of company outside India. Okay. Relative. Section 2 of 77. Relative with reference to any person means anyone who is related to another if they are members of a Hindu undivided family, they are husband and wife, or one person is related to the other in such manner as may be prescribed. Rule 4 given in the company's specification of definitions and details, Rules 2014, provides of the list of relatives of another if he or she is related to another in the following manner, namely father, provided that the term father includes stepfather; mother, provided that the term mother includes the stepmother; son, provided that the term son includes the stepson; son's wife; daughter, daughter's husband; brother, provided that the term brother includes the stepbrother; sister, provided that the term sister includes the stepsister. Now what is share? Share. Section 2 of 84. Share means a share in the share capital of a company and includes stock. Definition based on share capital. Section 2 of 8. Authorized capital or nominal capital means such capital as in authorized by the memorandum of company to the maximum amount of share capital of the company. Section 2 of 50. Issued capital means such capital as the company issues from time to time for subscription. Section 2 of 86. Subscribed capital means such part of the capital which is for the time being subscribed by the members of a company. Section 2 of 15. Called up capital means such part of the capital which has been called for payment. Section 2 of 64. Paid up share capital or share paid up means such aggregate amount of money credited as paid. Okay. The example of this I would like to discuss to the upcoming videos. So yes guys, this is all what is actually happened. So I think that guys it is all enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.